In this video, let us learn how to divide the number 535 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 5. We know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 0. Now see that this 0 is also less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 3 here. Now we know that there is no meaning of zeros on the left. So remove this 0. But in this case, although 3 is less than 5, as we have brought down this number 3 here, so we need to divide it. We know that 5 times 0 is 0. Subtract, we get 3. But in this case, we will treat this 3 as less than 5. That is why we need to bring down this adjacent 5 here. And we know that 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have no number to bring down here and got the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 535 divided by 5 is equal to 107. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.